Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amir Zarib bin Abdul Samad. My supervisor, TS Dr. Ain binti Nazari. My title for this competition is Banana Fruit Classification using Convolutional Neural Network. Introduction. Fruit classification is an important task to improve the productivity of agri-food production. Image processing technology has been used to make this process more efficient. This operation helps to analyze and control the image information. Problem statement. Agriculture was labor intensive for numerous years, since acquiring skilled farm workers is one of most expensive demand in agriculture production. The identification process is difficult and time consuming, and misclassification often occurs which lead to economic loss as the price of different fruits vary dramatically. Classification of fruit according to their color, texture, and shape is paramount. The objective for this project. The main goal is to create a banana fruit classification system that uses a convolutional neural network to determine whether the banana fruit are raw, ripe, or over-ripe. To achieve that main objective, several sub-objectives will be conducted throughout this project. First, to segment the fruit using image processing technique. Second, to identify the maturity of the banana fruit. Third, to evaluate a system that can analyze the banana fruit image. Scope of project. With regard to the state objective, this project will cover a list of perspectives, including those listed below. First, the system is run by MATLAB software. Second, the clarity of the banana fruit image capture determine the detection accuracy. Third, the fruit classified are known by their size, shape, and color. Fourth, 20 sample image for each raw, ripe, and over-ripe for training and validation. 5. 20 sample image for each raw, ripe, and over-ripe for testing. And lastly, image of the fruits is taken from Google Image and Kaggle dataset. This is the sample of dataset: raw banana fruit, ripe banana fruit, and over-ripe banana fruit. Methodology. This is the block diagram I use for this project. First, input image. Three different input image are used to evaluate in the system, which is raw banana, ripe banana, and over-ripe banana. Second stage is image pre-processing. In this stage, resizing image RGB to grayscale conversion, median filtering, and calculation of MSE and PSNR is occurs in this stage. Third, segmentation stage. In this stage, the image will be segmented using Sobel as extraction. Then, the classification stage. In this stage, we apply ResNet 50 to classify the fruit and extract the image features. And last stage is performance measurement to calculate the accuracy and error. Pre-processing image. Image acquisition. Banana fruit dataset is taken from Kaggle and Google Image website. Contain 90 raw, ripe, and over-ripe banana image. 60 images from Kaggle and 30 images from Google. Resizing image. Size required is 224 by 224. Resized image can speed up the processing image. Can speed up the processing time. Next, conversion RGB to grayscale. RGB to grayscale conversion is required to reduce time to reduce system complexity. Reduce image noise by reducing the number of colors in the image. Median filtering. Median filter reduce noise in the image and preserve the edge of the image. Segmentation process. The segmentation process in the system is using Sobel as detection. The Sobel method applied to extract the edge of the banana. The differential method is discrete and measure a gradient representation of the image intense function. Classification. A group of dataset for trained data is required to identify the desired data information to be classified. Rational classifier is applied in the system to classify the banana fruit. The FC100 layer is responsible to extracting the features from the input image. Result and discussion. This is the result for pre-processing image. The original image are turned into grayscale image and filtered using middle filtering. Segmentation image. The image segment using Sobel edge extraction. This is the GUI classification for this project. First image is blank GUI. Second is GUI for raw banana fruit image. Third is for rib banana fruit image. And lastly for over rib banana fruit image. This is the result for mean squared error, MSE and peak signal to noise ratio, PSNR. As you can see here, the value for MSE for rib is lower than over rib and raw. And the value for PSNR for rib is higher than raw and over rib. The lower the value of MSE, the better the image. This is the result for accuracy and error. So this the value I put in a chart. The average value of accuracy and error for raw banana category is 92.70% and 7.30%, while for rib banana category 94.32% and 5.68%, and for over rib banana category is 95.1% and 4.59%. The value of accuracy for banana category is higher than raw and rib banana category. The value of error for over rib banana category is less than raw banana and rib banana category. Conclusion. In conclusion, this project able to evaluate a system that can analyze many types of banana fruit image to identify the maturity of the banana fruit. The objective to segment the banana fruit image using image processing technique clearly achieved by using Sobel extraction. Finally, all the information is displayed in MATLAB GUI for the user to understand very well about the system. It is concluded that the purpose method be able to recognize three different types of banana fruit maturity. Recommendation. The research can be improved by collecting more dataset from different resources. Further work can carry out for improvement for the system to classify different types of fruit. The system can be improved by improving image preprocessing method. The purpose system can help farmers to classify the fruit more efficient and effective by the purpose system applied on the smartphone. Demonstration. For simulation part, this is my GUI application in this project. This is my GUI layout. First, we need to load the image. Then turn the image into grayscale image and filtered using middle filtering. Segment the image. By click the class push button, the system will determine whether this image is raw, rib or over rib.
The system able to classify the image as expected, which is the image is raw banana image. This is the result for MSE, PSNR, accuracy and error. So that's all for me. Thank you.